Division, there's no need to feel down. I said, students, turn that frown upside down. Long division, we're gonna learn how, so there's no need to be unhappy. Divide, that's the first step you do, and then multiply. That's the second clue, and then subtract. Don't forget there's one more, just bring down the next digit over. Long division with DMSB. Do long division with DMSB. You can figure it out, you can get it alright. The answer is in your sight.